Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're taking our second look at AI programs or tools, or really machine learning tools, as I like to say, for music. Now we've looked at the ones for graphics, which were pretty interesting, and we looked at the ones for creating words, stories, blog posts, and those were more touch and go, I think, than the graphic ones. Last week we looked at the first of the sound AI tools, and I wasn't crazy about it, except for, of course, the famous genre of music real estate, which is still amazing to me. This week we're looking at a tool called SOUNDRAW. Now, I find it a little better than the one we looked at last week, but I'm still not crazy about it. You really don't seem to have the control with these tools that you do with the word tools like Bard and Chat GPT. Never mind the graphic tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. These are really, I guess, odd. It's I keep coming back to the point that these look like they were designed by a committee. So we have, we're going to use the SoundDraw tool, and we're going to, okay, what is that doing there? Let's create a 1 minute fast tempo piece of music. But again, it looks like a committee got together and said, let's have an elegant template, also happy and glamorous. What's the difference in these? Let's have restless, where the person is a blur, or I don't know. It's just it looks like the kind of thing that you get when you put a committee together and say, come up with moods for music. Then there's genre, which is eclectic at best. I mean, Tokyo night pop, but rock. Orchestra is not a genre. I mean, do you mean classical? Do you mean opera? Do you mean classical rock, like the Moody Blues with an orchestra? I'm not sure. And then there's the themes here: ads and trailers, broadcasting, cinematic. I guess this is supposed to be the way you're going to use it. Gaming, cooking, photography. What does photography music sound like to you? What is, if a camera clicks in the forest and there's no one there to hear it? Was the picture actually taken? Sorry, it's just I am not sure. So I'm going to try a genre here. I'm going to try funk, and let us see what this comes up with. Okay, we've selected the theme, and this one is also noticeably slower, or at least it is today. Okay, it's thinking. All right, let's try, see what we get out of some of these. Don't know. Interesting, at least. Not super crazy about any of these, but I don't hate these as much as I hated the ones last week, that's for sure. Let's play with this one just to play with it. Okay, so we've got this basic thing here, and we have tools now. We've already set it to fast. One thing I do like about this one is, well, it's not going to let me choose other instruments, is it? till we take the synth out of it. I'm confused because that's... all of these only seem to have, yeah. Well, I'm not sure. You don't seem to be able to add instruments in, so... I guess my concern with this stuff is there's a pro mode that's supposed to have more tools to it, but I don't like any of the tools that are here, so I'm not encouraged to go take a chance on paying money for these. I mean, I pay money for a lot of these tools, but the try before you buy version should at least make you not hate it, right? Anyway, that's all for this week. Next week we'll try to turn one of these into something useful. We should maybe have at least a bumper or an intro for the blog. So let's give it a shot. See if we can come up with something. All right. Have a great week. Fuel out.